Alright, Dave Jack's Going to the Blues here. I got a lot of slack, and this is maybe one of our last videos here for a while. Looks like we're coming up on a mandatory shutdown. Hope everybody stays safe, and looks like a shelter in place is going to come down here either today or tomorrow in Connecticut. New York is doing it, or it's maybe effective Sunday. So, hey, we're making the best out of it. Glenn Peltier on camera. Paula Peltier is giving Rachel a haircut. Not a haircut. Guys get haircuts. I don't know what they call women. It's a coiffure or something. I don't know. But so anyway, I got a lot of slack out of when I did a Philly steak. I used a boar's head, just something you can get at the grocery store. So I'm gonna do a legit one. And so I'm gonna take the bread. I'm gonna lay some provolone, and this is how I'd want to eat it. Okay, so I'm gonna put that under the broiler. Not too hot. Then get an onion. I don't want long pieces, so kind of so we're gonna get that. Get a little butter. Then I'm gonna cut a couple of mushrooms. Just because they're a little spotted now, this inside is beautiful. Okay, I got a little bit of shelf life to them. Kind of cleaned out the ice box now. A little salt and pepper. Them go. Don't want too much heat on there. Oh, that sizzle. Listen to that sizzle. A little bit of our, I don't like to call it blackened seasoning. What do you call it? Cajun seasoning maybe, or salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder. Woo! You smell that, Glenn?
I sure do.
Yeah, see the mushroom sizzling? Love that. I didn't put a lot of butter in there. That water, as soon as it hits the moisture, as soon as it hits the, and then now listen, I got a grinder from Hamilton Street. I took out, that's from a half a grinder. I took out that much roast beef because it was just too much. I just can't believe it. But I don't like that much meat in the grinder. So that's nice, medium rare. Again, season it as you go along. See what we'll do here. Try to pull it apart. I don't necessarily like all shredded, Just pull it apart a little bit. I don't like, and then, some places are just loaded with fat, but not for me. That's about it. Then, I'm going to take then
There you go.
take another piece of provolone each. Back onto the broiler. So while that's cooking, we, you know, everybody's in the same boat, and you know, we just all got to kind of stick together, trying to figure out, you know, how to keep us all going. You know, like continue to do the videos. A friend of mine, Smokey Thompson, down in Texas, told me about this Patreon account. He said I should open a Patreon account. It's a membership. So it'd be a membership to Daddy Jack's. So you can look. We just launched our own page, Daddy Jack's. Actually, Cooking with the Blues. Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues page on Patreon. It's patreon.com/Cooking with the Blues, and it's a subscription membership, I guess. You can, you know, sign up and pay $1 a month, $5 a month, $3 a month, $10 a month, $20 a month, whatever, and then, you know, everybody will get something, but, you know, different tiers. We're going to be able to afford to give back a little bit more. The upper tiers made merchandise, t-shirts. I did a lot of CDs for Daddy Jack's. Best of, we had about 8 bands, a couple songs a piece. I think we have enough songs for two volumes. Could be a CD. It could be and a special link. You know, everybody's gonna get a special link to new videos that won't be up on a regular Daddy Jack's page. New videos. We'll take some requests. We'll do a Q&A. Glenn and I, we just the other day did a live YouTube stream, and we'll try to do that maybe once a week, once every couple weeks. It's hard to, you know, say exactly. You know, we're just really getting into this. What we're going to give back. Send out another deal, maybe like a nice knife sharpener. You know, we'll get Chef Master to work with us. Kanshang knives. See if they'll give us something. You know, some kind of give back. You know, just to keep us, you know, going here, paying the light bills, getting the rent. You know, I'm sure the landlord's going to work with us on the rent. And, you know, I want to cook for the community. Soup kitchen, maybe the people in need. Will provide meals, meals for the Majory Temple, my church. So, you know, if you feel it in your heart and if you're going to afford to do it, I'd love to have you become a member. And so let's check it out. Uh-oh, I might have got away from it. Oh boy. Woo. Oh yeah.
There you go.
You know, I don't know, maybe I have to eat that one open face even. But
That's okay.
hey. And just check that one out, Glenn.
Yeah.
Again, you can use any kind of cheese. Woo. Man,
It's really hot.
I got one of those mushrooms on my finger. I want to talk about hot, Glenn.
It's hot.
Wow. Yeah. You know, Glenn, the only thing it's missing, not green onions. See, I know you're going to say green onions. American cheese. But still, you know, plenty of flavor with that provolone. You know, nice, start out with nice rare roast beef. And it's killer. Ribeye, medium rare ribeye. But it's Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues here. Glenn Peltier, thank you so much. Beautiful video work. Like I said on another video, always, like, when you're done cooking right there, look at that now. Always put your pan back on the heat, right? See that right there? You not only clean the pan, but save that liquid, you know, when you're making a soup. That's all good flavor right there. Look at that. Waste not, want that. It's like Mother Nature, it's like nature's, let's try it out. It's got some nice flavor, nice coloring. But Dad Jazz Cooking with the Blues. Paula, you're missing out, Glenn. You gotta take them.
I think they're supposed to come down.
Oh, really? Okay.
I think so. But you know how they are. The girls.
They'll love them. So good. Those mushrooms and onions, just the whole thing, just give us so much great flavor, Glenn. As for you.
Peace.